Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. So we have another challenging geometry question with us. Let's try to solve this question with so we are given in the question, they're saying that there are two right triangles, but I see actually more than two right triangles in there. At least 4 triangles, actually right triangles I can see. Probably you already saw that as well. So let's solve this question. We're given, what are the givens for this problem? AE is given as 3, and the angle BDC is 90 degree, and the angle AHB also 90 degree. And the BD is given as 3K, and BH is 3, and HC is X. So they want you to find the value of X. So let's label some of the angles on this given triangles. So if I will call this one A, and this is a 90 degree, right, as well. So, and if you will look at the triangle ABH, and I would like to name this angle as B. And so what do I see? A plus B plus 90 must be equal to 180 degree. A plus B plus 90 must be equal to 180 degree. Therefore, A plus B will be 90 degrees. So we're given 90 in here. So there is A in the angle triangle ADE. So this side must be equal to B as well, because why? A plus B plus D 90 must be equal to 180. So this angle has to be equal to B as well. And we know that here is also 90 degree. Again, we have 90 degree and B. So this angle must be equal to A. So as I said at the beginning, like 1, 2, 3, 4. There are many right triangles in here. So, and our goal is to find the value of X, which is HC. So we will, this is obvious that you're going to use the similar triangles method to solve this problem. But which triangle you're gonna pick to write the similarities? I would give you a kind of like hint for that. I would suggest you to always try to pick a triangle with the most given values. What I mean by that is, if you will look at it, for instance, there is a right triangle, EHC. Only one side is given as X. That's what we're trying to find, by the way. But when you look at the triangle ADE, two sides are given. The hypotenuse is 3, the other side is K. And if you will look at it, the BDC triangle, and also there is like much value of given, like 3K and also 3 plus X. So it makes sense to select the triangle AD. Let me write it better. A, D, and E. This triangle is similar to some of the textbooks denote it this way. ADE is similar to, we started from the angle A, remember, starting from the angle A, the corner. So when we went down to D, when I say AD, so I must continue, I must do the same thing with the other triangle. I'm gonna start from A, and we're gonna call that C, and I'm gonna go to the 90 degree, which is D. From 92, I'm gonna go to B degree, which is the corner B. So these two triangles are similar triangles. So let's try to write the similarity proportions for this given two triangles. The opposite of A is K over the opposite of A. If we look at it on this triangle, the opposite side of the A is 3K So you can see that the k's will be canceling each other out. So we need to find the proportion as 1 over 3. But let's continue. And in the triangle ADE, I know the value of hypotenuse, which is 3. And the hypotenuse is in here. This was in here. The hypotenuse is over here. It's facing these two sides, the complete section, which is gonna be equal to 3 plus x. So this case cancels each other out. 1 over 3 is equal to 3 over 3 plus x. So to solve this equation, we must do cross multiplication. I'm going to multiply these. I would like to solve the question on the left corner top. Since the background is white, I'm just gonna do it over here. So the 3 times 3 is 9, is equal to 1 times 3 plus x, which is 3 plus x. So we must take away 3 from each side. So 6 is equal to x. There you go. We just found the value of x as 6 for this question. Thank you for watching our video. So I wish you good luck on your exams and the questions that you face, and have a good one.